Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ordinary The Power of Peptides set. I quickly want to go over what the set contains, then I want to share with you the setup of a skincare routine followed by a complete demonstration. And you'll find the timestamps in the description box down below. Now this set contains 3 peptide products. First of all, their brow and lash serum, which should help enhance the growth, density and health of eyelashes and eyebrows. It's a blend of peptides, biotin, caffeine, green tea extract and hyaluronic acid. Then it includes their multipeptide eye serum, which helps to address signs of aging around the eyes, such as crow's feet, under eye wrinkles, eye bags, puffiness and dark circles. And lastly, they have added their multipeptide plus hyaluronic acid serum, which is your face serum and improves the skin smoothness and elasticity, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. It also hydrates the skin and improves your overall skin texture. Now that you know the benefits, let's move on to the ORDAF application. And as always, I've prepared for you a PowerPoint, which is available for you to download from the description box down below. So let's get started with a morning skincare routine. Now first, cleanse your face with a cleanser suitable for your skin type. I've chosen the Ordinary cleansers as examples. They are good for all skin types, however my recommendation is to use the glycolipid cream cleanser for dry to normal skin, which is a non-foaming cleanser, and then the glucoside foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. After cleansing, pat the skin dry. Next, apply the lash and brow serum. Wait until it's fully absorbed and then move on to the peptide eye serum. Apply to the eye contour. Allow it to absorb for a minute and then follow with the peptide face serum. Lastly, if you spend prolonged periods outdoors, I recommend using sunscreen to protect against damaging UV rays, which are the main cause of premature aging. As for the evening routine, this setup can be similar and you can use the serums on their own. However, I've included an additional moisturizer in case you need extra surface hydration, and both formulations are very lightweight and should be suitable for anyone. All of these serums can be used daily in the morning and or evening. However, as personal skin tolerance and sensitivity can vary, you need to adjust it based on your skin's response and preference. And now that you know the setup of the routine, I want to share with you the visual application guide. So the first step is going to be your cleansing step, and I'm going to use the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser, which is a mild gel to foam cleanser that effectively removes excess oil, dirt, sweat, the sunscreens I've included in the PowerPoint, and everyday makeup. So let's get started. First, wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Then dispense a small amount of cleanser onto your fingers. Rub your hands together and then massage the cleanser evenly over your face and neck for 15 to 30 seconds, making sure to cover every area. After massaging, rinse it off with warm water. If you're doing this at the sink, I recommend using a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth as a helper, so that you can remove it properly from the skin. And if you've used a washcloth, then rinse again several times. Lastly, pat the skin dry using a clean towel. And now you can apply the Ordinary Brow and Lash Serum. Dip the applicator brush into the serum. Then brush through your brows. Next, apply a thin layer along the lash line. Wait until it's fully absorbed to avoid the risk of getting it into your eyes. Then move on to the multipeptide eye serum. Dispense 1 drop onto your fingertip. Rub fingertips of both hands together and then gently press it along the eye contour and gently and evenly blend it out. Leave it on the skin and do not rinse it off. Give it a minute in between and then use the Ordinary Multipeptide plus Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now you have 2 options. Either apply that one all over your face, including the eye contour, or just the rest of your face, leaving out the eye contour, as you have already applied the Multipeptide Eye Serum to that area, so it may not be needed. To apply, dispense about 3 to 5 drops onto the palm of your hand. Rub hands together and then spread it evenly over your face, avoiding the eyelids and lips. You can include the neck if desired. Again, leave it on the skin and do not rinse. Now if this is your morning skincare routine, you can follow with your sunscreen, or if it's your evening routine, you can include a moisturizer if needed. And I've outlined the directions in the PowerPoint presentation below the products. Now I'm going to leave it right there, as this is what the set includes, and it's completely fine to use these products on their own. Now I hope that you found this video helpful and that you now know how you can use the set. And thanks so much for watching, and happy skincaring!